For this project, we require an Arduino Uno, a 4x16 LCD shield, two ultrasonic sensor, it is HCSRO4, and some wires. Link to the programming of this Arduino board is given in the description. Just download the Arduino IDE and upload the programming. This is the circuit diagram of our project. You can also download it from the link in the description. Okay, it's done. The only thing remaining is to just mount it to my Arduino board. Okay, now let I go to my car and mount it. Okay, I have mounted the system to my car. Let us show you. You can see I have mounted the first sensor in the front and is covered by the aluminum sheet. Now the second sensor is at the back and also covered by aluminum sheet so that it can't get dirty. The wires are coming, you can see it here, and going to up to the LCD. Okay, and on the car the LCD also get on because I have connected the wires coming from the FM radio system to the LCD. You can see. You can tell your mechanic to do this for you. Okay, let I take my car in the front of an obstacle so that I can see that it is working or not. You can see the value changes to 100, 83, 81, 68, 62. Just do not take it below 50 to avoid any accident. And it is working. For this project, we require Arduino Uno, a TIP35C transistor, 10 kilo ohms resistor, heatsink for the transistor, 12 volt power supply, flyback transformer with primary pins identified, and at last some wires. Programming for this Arduino board is given in the description. Just download the Arduino IDE and upload the programming. This is the circuit diagram of our project. You can also download it from the link in the description. Okay, now it's done. The high voltage wire of the flyback transformer will produce an arc from one of these wires. So let's test it out. Okay, I have connected the AC power supply of this 12 power supply to the mains, and now when I take the high voltage wire near the flyback transformer, you can see a arc is produced. Yeah, it is a very small arc, but this is the pure plasma. For this project, we require Arduino Uno 2x16 LCD, breadboard, LM35 temperature sensor, male-to-male jumper cables, DC jack, 10 kilo ohms variable resistor, and for the power, a 9 volt battery. The programming for the Arduino is given in the description. Just download the Arduino IDE and upload the programming. This is the circuit diagram of our project. You can also download it from the link in the description. Okay, it's done. Now let us connect the power to it and see what happened. You can see that it is showing the temperature in centigrade and Fahrenheit. It is showing the temperature of your room. For this project, we require a breadboard, Arduino Uno, a 2x16 LCD, groove, air quality sensor, and at last some wires. This is the circuit diagram of our project. You can find the link of the circuit diagram and the Arduino code in the description. Okay, it's done. Now let us connect the power to it and test it. Okay, I have connected the power to it, and as you can see, it is now showing fresh air. If I just take some smoke near to it, it will show high pollution, and remove it, it will show fresh air. In this way, it will determine whether the air is fresh or it is polluted. For this project we require a 330 ohms 5 watt resistor, a 10 kilo ohm resistor, a 2N2222A transistor, a Arduino Uno, groove air quality sensor, 12 volt buzzer, a breadboard, and at last some wires. This is the circuit diagram of our project. You can download the circuit diagram and the Arduino code from the link in the description. Okay, it's done. Now let us connect the power to the Arduino board and the speaker positive. Remember, the power should to be same. Means if you are using a battery, use a single battery to power these both things up. Okay, I have connected this thing to the power. Now if I take a smoke or fire near to it, it will start buzzing and alarms you that there is a smoke or fire in your room or house. This shows that our fire alarm is working pretty well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to see upcoming videos, please subscribe.